Today's video finds us over here just south of Pattaya. We're down here by Sattahip, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a look at an island that's over here. It's someplace I've never been. You gotta go over here with a Thai national if you're not from Thailand. It's the only way. You're on the naval base over here. So we're gonna go over here and take a look at Ko Samaesan Island, and we'll see what it looks like. It's a pay site, so you gotta pay 600 baht for a foreigner and it's 300 baht for a Thai. So let's go in here, let's get our tickets, and then we'll go catch the ferry. And this is the little pier. You come over here, they have a little gift shop for the Navy SEALs, and then this is the ticket booth right here. You go inside and get your ticket. There's a few ferries that leave in the morning and early afternoon. Let's get our tickets, and I'll show you the schedule. So here's where you buy your tickets. So children not taller than 110 centimeters are free. So it's 600 baht for a foreigner, 300 baht for a Thai, and it leaves starting at 9. Last one going over is at 1, and then they return at 11:30 and 4, and then it has an extra one on Sunday that comes back at 4:30, and then you can rent the snorkeling equipment and the little canoe and stuff like that. And they're promising us some white sand beaches over there. So there's no alcohol, no styrofoam on the beach. This is taken care of by the Navy. So we'll walk over to the pier now. I don't know how far away it is. All the parking here. So it's quite a ways down. Looks like they have a lookout point up there and a Chinese temple. We'll just walk over to the pier. We're almost up to the pier. So it looks like the tide is down. They're planting some mangroves. And this is kind of the Samae San, I think is what this little town is. And it looked like coming in here, there's quite a few little small mom and pop hotels. And then there was a lot of places that sell food alongside the road. And there were the Thais stopping there and buying seafood and stuff like that to take over with them onto the island. Looks like we're gonna have a pretty good crowd going over there. Over here's the drop-off point. Cars everywhere. And then they have a little coffee shop right here. And over there is where we're gonna be going. Looks like there's a couple little islands here. You see all the fishing fleet over here by this little town. Yeah, so they have a waiting area if you want to wait right over here. Looks like they have some bathrooms and stuff like that also. You can see the little hill behind. There's radar installations and all of that for the Thai Navy. Over here to the end of the pier. So we got about a 15-minute wait, and then we'll get on. I guess this is the little ferry right here. Yeah, I would say this has seen better days here. It'll be all right. It'll get us over to the island. Looks like they have an upper deck up there also. There's the old salty sea captain. He's done this trip probably a million times. And the other guy just chilling out. Okay, so we're ready to board. They take your tickets there. We're gonna get on this lovely boat. Now they have another little boat I don't know about, but that one goes over to Ko Kam, which is that little island way over there. Might be something to check out later. This is the island we'll go to, and then this island over here, I don't know if they do tours to it. Everybody's loaded up and we're underway here. It's a full boat, everybody's hanging out. Next stop over there. They said it's a little choppy, so you might get a little seasick, but it's not a very long trip. And that's the pier and the little town. So after about 12 minutes, here we are at the little island. You can see it's the low tide. That boat's a kilter over there. Looks like a group of students over there. Now to get off. So they were jammed in on the second floor also. Okay, so here we are. Let's go out here and walk around on this nice little island. This looks like we have a little shuttle to take us over to the beach. Let's jump on this. safety first. Got the broken glass there. They have the bathrooms and stuff right off the pier. Yeah, really a green and pretty island here. Looks like we're over to the beach here, so that was about 5 minutes on the shuttle. And here's the beach. They got a big old crab here. Did this swing for the Instagram stuff. Wow, what a nice little beach here. All this white sand. Over here, the people have rented the little chairs. They made a little structure there out of old shoes and plastic bottles and stuff. Oh, what a great little beach this is. The sand is just absolutely perfect here. All the Thais are out here loving it. So you can rent those little canoes for 100 baht. And then there's that ferry that goes over to Ko Kam right there. And then we just got a rock out that way. Yeah, Ko Kam is that island over there. Yeah, the water is nice. It's perfect temperature. And the sand is just really, really nice. So the tide's down a little bit. Looks like up here is about the high tide mark. What's nice is since this is on the naval base, that they come over here and they pick up the trash. Yeah, this is a beautiful beach here. Not too far away from the airport. The airport and stuff is right over that way. And Pattaya, Sattahip are all up that way. Here over in this part of the beach, a little bit of the coral, a little bit of the rocks. It's not too bad at all. Yeah, it looks like just a kind of a rocky part of the beach there. Kind of walked about as far as we can. It's a small little beach, a couple 100 meters, but really beautiful. Let's go over here and look at the activity center. See about the rental of the snorkel and the boat. And I guess there might be like a bike you can rent and pedal around the island also. Everybody over here with the sun chairs, and over here's where you rent the paddles and the boat. It says beach guard. So they have a few little snacks over here. You can rent the chair and the table right here. So snorkeling gear, 50 baht. The locker, 20 baht. 30 baht for a chair, 20 baht for a table or a mat. And the boat is 100. And then here's the timetable for the return. Yeah, this looks pretty good. So they have meat on a stick. They got the Thai omelet. They have the gapao. So I'll get some of this too. That's like kai jiao, the Thai omelet. Finished product there. And over here, this is the Snorkel Zone. And I thought they might have a glass bottom boat, but I guess they don't. It looks like they have a viewpoint up on the top of this hill here also. A couple swings. And they get the little plastic seats and straw things. These gals are doing their Instagram shoot over here. And you can swim out there and snorkel around. And they have a concrete boardwalk over here. Looks kind of rough. Yeah, it looks like it's still a work in progress or the abandoned project. But it'll go around to the pier. Over there is where we left. That beach over there looks pretty nice. And then you got the boat that went out there to do the snorkeling. And that Ko Cam over there. This is kind of cool how the rocks are weathered. And you got these cactus growing in here. Yeah, this is a pretty little island for sure. Well, we'll take one last look here at the beach. Here's where they're setting up to go do their snorkeling. Yeah, the sand is just absolutely beautiful over here. And the other couple little islands out there, and then where they can go to do their snorkeling out that way. The water's nice, the sand is really, really nice. And then all the amenities here with bathrooms and everything. Well, that'll finish up our video over here at this Ko Samaesan. This is really a nice beach. I've never been here before. I like this much, much better than Pattaya Beach and Thian Beach. The sand is like really perfect. It's clean. It's a little harder to get to. You got to get over here and take a ferry, and it's quite expensive. 600 baht for a foreigner is pretty expensive for a beach, but it is kind of you know, exclusive as far as getting over here, because you can't come over unless you're with a Thai person. So it's just not as crowded. I would definitely say if you have a little extra time and you want to do something, come over here and do it. I would say that over some of the other beaches here in the Pattaya area. So hopefully you've enjoyed the video. If you did, smash the like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, ask me down below. What we're gonna do is we're gonna sit here. I got my mat. We're gonna relax the rest of the afternoon and kind of enjoy this little beach. So until next time, from over here in the Pattaya area, remember, life is a journey. Until next time, enjoy.